Summer is peak season for home selling, but also for barbecues, vacations, pool parties, and many other distractions for would-be buyers. And that's not even counting those dog days when it's too hot to go view homes. But for home sellers who are eager to drum up an offer before Labor Day, there's plenty you can do to lure buyers through your door. Check out these 4 smart tips for getting buyers to squeeze your house into their summer schedule. Rule number 1, embrace the summer schedule. Many people look forward to spending long weekends out of town during the summer. That's why many Saturday and Sunday afternoon open houses end up nearly empty. Try holding an open house on Thursday from 4 to 6 p.m. instead. Rule number 2, turn your open house into a summer party. Let's face it, heading to a barbecue or pool party sounds a whole lot more fun than an open house. Try serving up refreshments like lemonade and iced tea on trays, or fire up the grill to serve summer-themed appetizers or sliders. Rule number 3, shine a spotlight on the outdoor space. A wraparound deck with amazing views? A backyard oasis? Especially in summer, buyers may fall in love with a home's outdoor spaces, so play them up to the max. Rule number 4, advertise early, often, and offline. Spreading the word about an open house is crucial to getting people through the door, but never more so than the span between Memorial Day and Labor Day. While people enjoy the outdoors, they're spending less time with their screens, which means less visibility for your online listing. So make sure you get your advertising out there well in advance. To capture more eyeballs offline, plant open house signs headed toward the beach, campgrounds, and other popular summer destinations. It doesn't take long for a buyer to pop in and fall in love with the right home, especially if you follow all 4 of our summer selling rules.